all, this is Manikanta and today I am going to tell you about the online classes. And today's online classes are like a fed up for the teachers. In the morning hours when we have the online classes, the students come with a yawning face and curly different hair. Good morning sir, that's it. And by looking at them we also start yawning. It's very difficult. And some students just from the bed they get up and they sit for the online class. Yeah sir, tell me. And some of the mothers they sit beside the class, beside the student in the class, and they start brushing the teeth of the child. What is that? And some of the mothers they make them feed the children during the class. The class is going on online class and the mother starts feeding the child. And some of the students they start eating in the class. And they say in the middle, sir, I want a break for 2 minutes. I want to go and wash my hand. I have to wait for them when they are going to join again. Once they come back, again the mother will be bringing a one full glass of milk. Then they will sit like this, listen, and they will drink the milk slowly. Again, once the milk is over, sir, I'll go into the kitchen once. Give me break. Again I have to wait. When is the student going to come? He will come. I have to wait. Like there is a group of students, group class. One student goes, I have to wait for. Other students also will be thinking, they get a time to play now, other students. This is a different type of people, these students will be sitting. And mothers are the best, they just sit beside the student and they'll be doing. But I have seen some of the fathers, they'll be roaming here and there in the house without the shirt. They'll be roaming here and there, everywhere they'll be roaming, I have to look at them. Where? And when the father is roaming, the child will be looking at here. Where is my father going? Is my father seeing what I am doing? They'll be looking like this. And some of the parents and the grandparents are there at home. The grandparents they don't know like what is online classes and everything, and they'll be peeping like this. What is my child doing? And I get confused whether they are looking at me or they are looking at the child. So because they don't know what's going on, how the classes are going on. Every time the child is sitting in front of the laptop and the grandparents are peeping like this. What is he doing? What is he doing? Like that they look at him. So sometimes I get distracted and I'll be looking at them. Are they watching me? What they want to tell me? Like that I'll be watching them. And some students, they'll be turning the audio off and some students video off. When they turn the video off, I don't know what they are doing. Whether they are listening to the class or playing games or sleeping. Morning hours, definitely they'll be sleeping because when the video is on only, they'll be yawning. Sleeping. So some students audio off but video will be on and earphones they will keep it aside and they will be listening sometime and some other time they will be talking with their brothers and sisters. And I feel they are asking some doubts to me and they'll ask, what happened? What is the doubt? What is the doubt? They won't listen because the earphones are down. And I thought that, okay, tell me the doubt, tell me the doubt. No response. And whenever I ask a doubt, whenever I say I ask them a doubt, because when they don't ask a doubt, I will ask them a doubt. They will be getting freezed. And after some time they get relaxed. When I ask a question, okay, what is data handling? What is integers definition? What is fraction definition? And the answers what I get. Integers are the numbers. And I will be asking what happened, tell the answer. They will be freezed like this only. And that is called integers. What happened, tell once again. Sir, I told sir. When did you told? You got freezed. No, I told it's your network problem. Okay, repeat once again. Integers are the numbers. Yeah, they are called integers. So, is it over? Yeah sir. I told perfect definition. So I think my network problem. Whenever I ask after the class there is a small slip test is there. Yeah, they'll say after the class by the end of the time the test starts. Sir, my laptop battery is getting down. I think the laptop will get turned off now. So I will be leaving that. Tomorrow I will join. Bye. What is that? And some of the students, whenever I ask question, sir, network problem. I cannot hear what you are saying. After like this, okay, I will join once again. After 2 times, 3 times join. Sir, the class time is over. Let's meet tomorrow. The class time ends. And what we have learned in 1 hour class? Only 15 minutes we had a class. And in the 15 minutes, first 5 minutes for the attendance, everyone will be active, everyone's connection is good. But after the attendance, once the class starts, everyone's network problem starts. Sir, my network is slow, there is voice stuck, your voice is getting stuck, your video got freezed, I'm not able to hear. These all problems starts whenever the class going on. Whenever the exam starts, sir, my battery is off. Sir, I cannot hear you what you are saying. Can you repeat again? In a group of class, out of 10 students are there in online class. If one network is problem, we all have to wait until that boy comes or a girl comes. When that comes, the other students have a problem. When everyone is good, my network will be a problem. These all are the problems. So, instead of a group classes, the one-to-one classes are the best. One student, one teacher. We can focus for a lot of time. And one of my experience, I have seen a child in front of me. Every time when he attends the class, sharply at start of the class he will attend the class. After 10 minutes, he will close the laptop. Then his father observed first day, second day. Then he was asking, what happened? Is the class over? Then he was saying, yeah, the class was over. Teacher was saying that today we will end the class in 10 minutes and later on we will start slowly the session. 2 days, 3 days, 4 days it was happening. The father got it out. Why the teacher is ending the class very early? Let me call the teacher and ask. When the father called to the teacher and asked, ma'am, what is happening? Because my child is saying that you are closing the class early only for 10 to 15 minutes. No sir, but your child said to me that my father is doing recharge in my mobile for my sake, but all the time he is using, he is chatting, he is playing games in online and the data is getting over and I am getting only chance to listen for 10 minutes and the data is over. And he is crying in the class that I am not getting the data. So I thought to call you and ask, but you only called me. So this is the way the situation happens. And if you want a one-to-one class, one teacher and one student, you can contact me. I am going to take the classes for you without any hesitation. Group classes will be somewhat difficult to take and we can have the one-to-one session. Hope you all like this video. This is not relating to anyone, just for a fun sake, just for make you laugh. I made this video not to showcase anyone that these are doing, that these are not doing. Just a few examples where I have seen and not for a serious one, just for a fun note. Hope you all like this video. Do share with your friends and students and teachers. Hope you all liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.